Don't say anything, because I want to get
Hey.
my chest. I went to the drugstore, I got like 5 bags of
Huh?
chips. Just like normal, but I just couldn't handle having another fucking
Thank you so
campaign.
much.
Oh, cool.
That's all. Anyway, beaten 2 of the bags so far. Feel like crap, but I don't care.
No, man, he pushed her right up against the,
Oh, baby!
Keep it in your pants, Marcus. They've got the whole place locked down with trip lasers and guys with guns.
Oh my god!
Nothing to report.
Wait, what?
Greetings, fellow security personnel.
I don't recognize you. Who are you?
Hear that?
Hey, buddy. We don't want you here. Get out. Ha! Aw.
I'm conducting routine duties.
Sorry, buddy. This is a hands-on operation. Your hands. Well done. Now let's see, where do they keep the mobos in there?
It's cool, I got this.
All right, kid. Plant my magic non-clipper chip in that rocket, and ding! Fries are done.
The RC's not gonna be able to hold on to the board.
Ah, damn, if only we had somebody there with working hands.
Touche. You know, my dad took me to the Air and Space Museum when I was like 10 years old. That was nothing compared to this.
Rockets and dinosaurs, man. I mean, you never outgrow them, right?
Status
What do you think you're doing?
Here we go again. Unfucking
Need to
believable.
scram, DedSec. DedSec kitty's not allowed.
All right, where's the funny bone at?
Don't forget the water on the knee.
Hey, Ray, you think I can officially put rocket scientist on my resume now?
What do I look like, a career counselor?
Done.
Yeah! Beautiful. Now get out of there.
Quiet. You hear that? Listen.
All clear. Status all clear.
Hi. No, this is not okay.
Space is... Please allow me to scan you. Filing data.
I got it at the Humane Society. And the thing, I mean, he's fucking cute, right? Like,
Would... I was not able to complete the scan.
And that, kids, is how you bug a satellite.
I've got a sack full of cookies waiting here for you.
It'll be a while before the rocket's ready to launch. We'll call you when it's time. Until then, go buy yourself something pretty. Or don't. I mean, I don't really care what you do.
P.S. There are no cookies.
What are you doing stopping there? Get out of the fucking way!
this is too much.
Get your ass out of the way!
There's lots of excitement leading up to the election later this month. Despite some intriguing new challengers, currently Congressman Mark Thruss is poised for a landslide victory. Online polls reveal that he's expected to retain his seat by a wide margin.